Christmas celebrations in Sydney, Australia. Hello mga Inday Dudong, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipino nurse living in Australia. This was my first Christmas celebrating in Sydney, Australia. So of course I was so excited to check out Sydney CBD or Sydney downtown, check out all the celebrations and see what Sydney has to offer. We checked out the most celebrated Christmas market at Martin's Place and look at the crowd. Oh my goodness. Daghan kay baligya, there were so many goods on sale, from pictures, paintings, dresses, handmade crafts, and hindi talaga mawawala ang pagkain. There was a huge lineup for the food stalls. My husband thought that we would line up to get into the center of Martin Place where the big Christmas tree is. Suska, it was the lineup for the cheese wheel gnocchi. We were hungry, but nah, with this line, no way. We came here to watch the Christmas carols, but I think we were too late, so wala na Christmas carols. Anywho, as I've said, this is my first time celebrating Christmas in Australia. One thing I've noticed is that the weather here is quite hot during Christmas. I used to magud ko cool weather during December, so medyo surprising siya when I felt the hot and sometimes humid weather here in Sydney. Another thing that I was surprised is how they embrace Christmas, the Christmas celebrations really seriously here. I just felt that Australians slow down during December and Christmas week. Now at this point, we are walking down Pitt Street. And Pitt Street has this massive mall with all the luxury designer brands also. And they've got this lovely Christmas lights set up. And we're heading towards St. Mary's Cathedral for the light show. Thanks for watching. Please click like, follow, and subscribe.